We are pleased to show you the 2018 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's motorsports performance division and is priced below $110,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.